Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily invest in Bitcoin on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to install some apps from App Store to your iPhone. So just open App Store, just write here Coinbase. So just write and search coin. So here you can see Coinbase. So here you can see this app, so just tap on it and just choose get. So now you just need to double click to install it. And also I will show to you another app. So another app, it's Binance. So here you can see it. So now just tap on get. So now you just need to write your password or just use Face ID to install it on your phone, and after you can invest in Bitcoin with your wallet, so you can also use your credit card for it and just see analytics for Bitcoin. So here you can see it. So this is the way how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.